Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to bypass FRP on Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Okay, as you take a look, our phone is secured by the pattern and also with the Google verification. So first we need to begin with turning off this screen lock. To do it, we need to perform a factory reset using the recovery mode. We also need to have an USB-C cable that is also connected into our computer because we need to enter recovery mode. Without it, we won't be able to do it. So first, connect your cable. And now we need to use the button combination. We need to start holding power key and volume down until screen turns off. When the screen turns off, we need to quickly switch the combination. We need to start holding power key, volume up and Bixby button until we see the Samsung logo. When it appears, release the finger from power button but keep holding the Bixby and volume up. So first, power button and volume down button. Now quickly switch, release the finger from power button but keep holding Bixby and volume up. Okay, just like that. Sometimes it takes a few tries, so don't worry. Now using volume keys, we need to select Wipe Data Factory Reset, this option. Now confirm by clicking power button. Scroll down and click on Factory Data Reset. I don't know why in my case it's in Polish language, but no worries. Okay. In the meantime, we can do other things on our computer, but let's also exit the recovery mode, select Reboot System now and confirm by clicking power button. On our computer we need to visit our page, HardReset.Info. You can see the link right in here, and in that place simply type S10 Plus, enter. Actually, I need to find out which one it was exactly. Okay, not the Exynos, it's the version with the SD, my bad. Select bypass Google verification. And here you can see the proper, because we had the Exynos version, we need to have SD855. Click on that. Now, go to the downside. Find a version from 9 to 13. And we need to download two things. We need to install Samsung drivers and the bypass tool. Let's begin with Samsung drivers. Simply click on them and click on download. And when it comes to some FRP bypass tool, before you click on that, before you install it, you need to turn off your antivirus. So open up the settings, go into privacy and security, Windows security, virus and threat protection, click on manage settings and turn off the real-time protection right in here. Without it you won't be able to install the program, so we need to have that in mind. Okay, now open up the downloads folder. And you need to extract the SAMFV tool setup. Right click whenever and click on extract to, or you can use the extract all function. And same thing with Samsung USB drivers, right click, and you also need to extract them. Okay, if you have extracted your Samsung drivers, open it up and you need to install them. In my case it's already installed, so I won't repeat that process once again. In your case, I highly recommend you to restart your computer after the installation process. It's up to you what you will do, but I recommend to restart the whole computer. Okay, now, as you can see, we have the setup process. For now, we can unplug the cable. We need to select our language right now. I'll just select United Kingdom for now. Okay, click on Start. Select that you agree, click on Next. More, agree. Okay, let's connect with the Wi-Fi. Click on next. We can now also install our bypass tool. You also need to extract it. Launch the exe file, click on next, next, and install. Click on finish. Okay, we have our program. Now let's wait until everything loads on our phone. Let's keep waiting. Okay, it's nearly done. Okay, as you can see, it wants us to type to draw our pattern, and if you click on use Google account instead, we have our verification. Now we need to go all the way back. Now click on emergency call, type asterisk hashtag 0 asterisk and hashtag. Now we are in the test mode. Now in our app we need to select the Samsung, click on that. Now connect your phone again using USB-C cable. Wait until it pops out right in here. And now, first let's click Remove FRP security older than August 2022. Click on that. The process will begin. We need to keep waiting. Select that you have already opened test mode. Okay, when it says fail, don't worry, you can try again. This time let's select Remove FRP security from August 2022 to December. Let's do it in the normal mode. Already open test mode. Just like I'm saying, sometimes it takes a few tries, so don't worry. Okay, this time it went pretty okay. Select that you always allow from this computer and click on allow. Okay, now our phone should turn on automatically. Okay. We can unplug the cable. Okay, as you take a look, our phone has turned on, everything works, but now I highly recommend you to perform a factory reset once again using the settings. Also, I will show you that when you go into accounts and backup, if you click on manage accounts, we don't have any accounts anymore, so everything has been successfully bypassed. Same thing if you click on the Google. We have no Google accounts right in here. And now to perform a factory reset once again, scroll down, click on General Management, scroll down, find Reset, click on Factory Data Reset, Reset, delete all, and now let's wait until our phone turns on. We will have to go through the setup process once again, but it's not going to take a little bit. So let's wait until it turns on. Also, I'll show that during the second setup process, we won't have any Google verifications or anything like that. So let's simply wait until our phone turns on first. Okay, the setup process has appeared. Let's select the language. Click on OK, click on Start. Select that you agree, click on Next. More, and agree. Let's skip the Wi-Fi. It's not necessary to connect. Don't copy. Next. More, accept. Skip, skip. Skip, skip. Finish. And as you can see, our phone is fully unlocked right now. We can do anything that we want. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.